How to fix Cash App won't let me add my card to Apple Pay. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me add my card to Apple Pay. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you can see sections that can help you navigate to different areas of the app. From those sections, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will be taken to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are sections you can use to find or access the different features of the app. From them, scroll down, continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the screen. Once you're at the bottom, make sure you tap this option here named Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. Next, you will see all these sections that are related to the Cash App Help Center where you can find solutions to issues you face on the app. From them, scroll and tap this one named Cash App Card. This is the page where you will find more options that are related to the Cash App card issue. From them, tap this one named Card Issues. Under those options, there are other options as you can see. Next, tap this one here named Card Declined. This page will then appear where the Cash App is trying to give you information on ways you can solve this. So make sure you go through them. Finally, come to the bottom of the screen and then tap this option named Chat, which is found under the Support section. You will see this feedback page where you are supposed to type a message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them, just like you can see here. You can also type what I have typed here, Hi dear support team. The Cash App won't let me add my card to Apple Pay. Kindly fix this issue for me as I have tried it several times and nothing works. Thanks. I hope this tutorial has helped me fix this issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me add my card to Apple Pay.